Alright everybody, welcome back to Skyway Classics YouTube channel. We are now going for a ride in our 1967 Chevy Camaro. Now as you do know, 1967 was the first year for the Camaro. That's right, the very first one. And the one we have featuring here at Skyway Classics has a black exterior. You see it has a 2-inch cowl induction hood with the gray SS stripes coming from the hood to the back. You have chrome torque style wheels. In fact, one of the really nice things I like about it is not only that it's a black car, one of the hardest colors to ever put on a car, but they actually on the fenders painted the SS emblems on it with the 383 number on it. As for the interior, you can see we have an updated spoke wheel, which is very nice for your leg room, and like the old style wheel, which was bigger than your head. You got the aftermarket phantom gauges. You have an aftermarket stereo system. You got the nice bucket seats with the horseshoe shifter. And as for that, going underneath the hood, you got that 383 stroker. You got the chrome intake, aluminum headers. As for the brakes, we can show you that right now since we're coming into a little traffic. Very good. And one thing I also want to mention is underneath, as you know, Camaros, they were subframes, but this one was added with the subframe connectors to give it a little more support. In fact, now that we got a little room, we can open it up a little bit, show you how much fun we can have with it. Very fun, very fun. But it's always best to drive it safe. Even though these cars are really old, you still want to be safe with them because they are a lot of money. But as for now, we're going to get it turned around and up on the lift, so please stay tuned to see the underneath.